Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This is a simple video taken on a day when I had gone to my brother's clinic, not his own clinic, he's working there. Then few glimpses of our farmland, ending with a simple recipe. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. So we are on the way to the clinic. I had ordered this book about PCOD by Rujuta Tivekar, just started to read. That's my doctor brother and father. That's where he's working, Carewell Dental Clinic. He was earlier in Bangalore, now he's in Kerala, not far from home too. Arman having fun time with his grandpa. He's all ready to drill my teeth. I just wanted the cleaning to be done. I was just explaining my teeth history to him and he educated me with his knowledge. The cleaning was complete. Time for a polish. And done. Leaving back home. Now this was an organic vegetable similar to yam. I don't know the name of it. It's purely organic. My mom is making a simple dish for lunch. Just chopped it to small chunks, washed it well, added to a pressure cooker, adding some salt. It gets cooked fast too. And that's organic pepper from home garden. That's our dear uncle, my mom's elder sister's husband. He had come over. When he saw the jackfruit, he said it's time to take it down. He's there on top, don't know if you can see. Put a sack over it. Then cut it. Slowly bringing it down with the rope that was tied on it. Now these are pepper climbers, lots of peppers to pluck. My brother and uncle working on that. It was looking like a bracelet, really beautiful one. That's curry leaves plant. Now that's moringa trees. The leaves of it are really very healthy. Now this is that simple dish, forgot to take video. My mom had added some coconut, grinded with some green chilies and shallots. Time for lunch. That's papad curry, raw plantain dish, fish curry, and this is the other one. Again organic mango. Evening time, we decided to visit our farm, my father's farm in fact. This is nutmeg. That's string beans. There's a lot of nutmeg trees here. Lots of bananas too. This is my uncle's elder brother. He is a caretaker of the farm. Coconut water. That's tender coconut. Now all the coconut that's at home is from here. Moving towards another farm. Over here, nothing much to see properly because of the bushes. It has to be cut down. That's a small pond there. Now these are tapioca plants. Now this is my father's childhood home, my grandmother's home. Very old and it's still there without any renovation. That's whole wheat. My father's cousin and family is in this house. Tea and snacks. On the way back home. For dinner, Mom was preparing pepper chicken curry. Into a vessel or cooker, adding some coconut oil, then ginger garlic paste around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Saute well. When the raw smell goes, add 2 large onions sliced, adding some salt and cook well. When the onion is soft, add 2 tomatoes chopped and 3 to 4 green chilies slated. Saute well till everything is well cooked. Adding some curry leaves. Now this is a ground mixture of whole coriander seeds 2 tablespoons, whole black peppercorns 1 tablespoon and cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Add and mix well for 2 minutes. Then goes 2 kg chicken pieces. Mix well. Adding 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix. Add 1/2 cup water. Cover and cook. Here the chicken needs more time to cook, so mom is cooking in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles. Now the chicken is done. Adding some chopped coriander leaves. That's my brother after duty. He just bought me the medicine for gums. Dinner ready. That's some grilled chicken from restaurant. So that's for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. For more videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.